a makeup vlog and
Hi!
ta-da! He's a famous makeup artist in Malaysia, and today I'm going to show you firsthand his makeup artwork on my face.
Beauty and Bollywood.
Okay, great. So there's two looks, beauty, makeup and Bollywood makeup. So stay tuned to keep watching. Bye!
Bye!
Hey guys! So we're going to start our makeup first today, as usual. Tak nampak pun tinggi sangat.
Tak apa, nampak badan je.
Okay.
Spray for soothing.
Yeah, it's called Fix Plus, and this is from MAC Cosmetics. No sponsored things here, but I just mentioned things that we use, so you know some of the products that we use. My eyebrows are shaped nicely. How many years have you been in this makeup industry?
Makeup industry. I think about more than 10 years. Plus minus, yeah.
More than 10 years, guys. He's a professional makeup artist. So if you're looking for a professional touch, you should come and look for Hilmy. I'll note down his Instagram and Facebook down below, so you can contact him anytime when you want to make up that. Okay? So now my face is fully prepped with serum, moisturizer and softening lotion.
Yes.
Foundation. Concealer palette. Yeah, it's a must-have if you guys go to MAC. Yeah, this is a must-have. It's everything in one. Concealer, corrector. It makes your life easier. But yeah, this is the best concealer palette. This is the highlight on my face.
Loose powder.
Yeah, loose powder. And this is from
MAC.
okay, MAC. Patrick Star.
Yeah.
Guys, it's a Patrick Star loose powder. I'm honored. Can you see? Can you see? Patrick Star loose powder. I'm excited. It's my first time using it. Yeah, let's see how it goes.
This brush. Okay. That
What does it do?
is to set the foundation to the skin.
So this is a new technique, guys. You can use a brush to set your foundation first before you apply powder.
Okay, and then
Then put this. Is this like baking,
yeah.
but with a brush? How cool is that?
With a good brush can make it. Even though now not more like trend anymore baking, but I like this technique. It make your under eyes smooth.
Oh yeah, smooth lah.
And then just set in detail.
See? You can set your face with a loose powder, but only using brush. There's no need for you to use a sponge. As long as you have a good fluffy brush, you can use this technique. It's called baking. Why? It makes your skin look smooth. Can you see that? It's called magic, guys. It's magic. My face is smooth already.
Chill out, chill.
Highlighting toy. Tiba-tiba. Hey guys, so this is the finished makeup look. What do you think? Oh, I love the lipstick. Is this a lip pencil? And we're gonna do our hair later on, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is the final look for the beauty makeup today. Look at my hair, look at my earrings, look at my makeup. So this is all done by the professional makeup artist. He will tell you guys what inspired him to do this kind of makeup look for me today. So
Okay, my inspired for makeup today is actually thinking about the beauty of Wanny. So thinking about what I have for props. So I think this kind of look can match with this kind of dress and earring, hair. So I just make over Wanny whatever I think suit for her.
this kind of like a vintage look.
Yeah.
Or 90s look. Yeah, that's why. Okay guys, so this is the beauty look for today, and move on. We're going to do a Bollywood style makeup. Stay tuned and keep watching. Bye. Okay guys, we're back in the makeup chair, and now we're going to start our Bollywood makeup. Again by Hilmy. Hey guys, so this is the complete look for Bollywood makeup. Look at the makeup, most importantly.
Inspiration for this look is a glam look, Bollywood. The glam look.
full glam, Bollywood style. So if you guys love this kind of makeup look and wish to get someone to do this kind of look, call him up. Please leave a comment down below whether you like this makeup, give it a thumbs up, and call him if you need his service for makeup, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.